Hop into the 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sleek, muscular GLE. Rewarding on every level, its advanced tech offers customized driving modes, digital instrumentation, and driver assist features, while its atmospheric cabin captivates the imagination. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated front seat, keyless start. It's your turn. Go ahead and enjoy the delights of luxury and performance in this stylish GLE SUV. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.